What if you can create a whole video just by chatting with AI? Well, that is possible with this combination. I'm using Claude AI, Remotion, and Vocal Lab. The idea is to have Claude generate the idea, the script, the video with Remotion, and then generate the voice with Vocal Lab. So I have the whole complete set to make a video. Let me give you a quick example of something that I just did using Claude AI and Vocal Lab. So check this out.
Claude code ships with skills built in, but the 5 best ones, you have to install them yourself. Number 5, algorithmic art. Claude writes code that generates real art. Flow fields, particles, fractals from one sentence. Number 4, canvas design. Posters, slides.
So all of this was done with Claude AI, Remotion, and Vocal Lab. Now the cool thing about this is that all you have to do is just chat with AI and it'll generate it for you. Now currently I'm generating a second video, but just to give you an idea how easy this is my prompt. Create a 60-second video, vertical video, going to be meant to be used in TikTok, so on and so forth. And I told it to use Vocal Lab MCP to use the voice. It did its job. Boom, I got my video and we're good to go. I'm generating the next video as we speak for this purpose. Now, how easy is it to connect Vocal Lab to Claude AI? It's super easy. I'm going to show you how on this video. Now, be aware that you do have a lifetime deal going on right now that you can grab starting from $49. But the $49 plan is not the catchy plan. The one that you want to grab is the license tier 3, which starts at $300. Why? Because you're going to get access to MCP. Here it is. MCP access starts from license tier 3, which is more than enough for most of us. In my case, even if I make these videos daily, it's more than enough for me. So just to give you an idea of the credit usage. Plus, you can do a whole lot more than just generate voice with it, all right? So let's go ahead and show you how to install this. So let's go into Vocal Lab, let's go into MCP, and in MCP, there's this endpoint right here. Now be aware that you can install this on multiple AI agents, not just Claude Code. You have Claude Desktop, Cursor, VS Code, Windsurf, and other clients. I even installed this on Minimax Code. So it doesn't even matter as long as it understands MCP and API. So you can connect to it and generate the voices just like I did right now. So what you want to do is click on this configure MCP button and it's going to generate a code, which I'm not going to generate right now because I don't want you to use my code. Then select the app that you want to use. In this case, I am using Claude Desktop. Now I can go ahead and add this into the connector, or I can just go ahead and copy this and chat with it and tell it, hey, you know what, install this. And it's just as easy as that. Once you have these details, we're gonna go to Claude Code, we're gonna click on our avatar here, let's go into settings, and in settings, there's an option that says connectors right here. Click on the add sign here, go to add custom connector, name your connector, and add that link right here with the generated MCP API code. It's easy and practical to add it and start using it right away. Make sure you have it added by going here, plugins, and in plugins, you'll find the Vocal Lab. To make sure that this is working, click on the plus sign, go to connectors, and in connectors, you'll find Vocal Lab. If you need to turn it off for some reason, just go ahead and turn it off right here in case you don't want to call upon it, in case you don't need it. But I always keep it on because it knows when I need it, because I tell it that I want to use it. So it's easy and practical. Now in this case, I've generated the video, it created the script, it created for me based on the script the voice that I needed, and there's several things that you can do with the AI, including using it to design a voice. So you can describe what you need and it'll generate the voice for you. I mean, you could do this here with MCP and you can do that over there on the actual application. Now, Vocal Lab has several tools, including text-to-speech. So if you already have something that you want to generate text-to-speech and you don't want to use AI, you can do it straight in the portal. Like, go right here, generate, and it's going to create it for you. Select the voice, select the sounds that you want to use, the pauses, etc., and you'll be good to go. Let me give you this quick example.
Open clip. Drop in a 2-hour recording. It finds the good parts and cuts the clips for you. Number 3.
Claude code ships with skills built in.
There's several voices, but in my case...
Mistake 4. You skim the diff.
There's several voices, but I use this one the most because I think it sounds better. Then there's speech to text, which is pretty much explanatory. You got speech, turns it into text. It transcribes it. The audiobook option, you can create an audiobook straight from here. Just go ahead and click on new audiobook and go through the steps. There's also a dubbing option. There's the voice assign, the one I showed you that you can do with the AI chat, but you can also do it here. There's the basic option and there's the advanced option to highly customize this and get the voice that you actually want. So here's a quick example. The voice that you actually want. Once you generate it, it's going to generate 3 voices: balanced, warmer, and brighter, depending on what you describe. So I already generated one, which is this one right here, and it did pretty well. So you can go ahead and try that out too. The voice cloning for your own voice, it's kind of okay. I don't think this is a strong point, but it kind of gets the job done. I already cloned my voice and it's ready to start using. My voice library, which has a big choice of library, 269 professional voices as of this video. They add more as they go along. You can filter this by gender, by languages, and you can go ahead and test them out by listening to them.
For centuries, explorers searched for a hidden path.
So,
breathe in deeply. So, how does it actually work?
So how exactly does this process?
So several voices available here. You can go ahead and favorite these once you start listening to them, and you'll find the voices over here. I already saved mine, which I use. There's a design and the like that you can save right here. You got a history of everything that you've generated from text to speech and speech to text. So you can see here, I already generated these. Configuration options, find those available here. The API, if you want to connect with API, that's available here too. The MCP, which I showed you already, and more details for support. But it's easy and practical to generate these voices. Let me see if the video's finished for that second one. No, it's not done yet. I'll be leaving these videos here in the description so you can go ahead and check them out, so you can see the quality of these videos that I'm generating completely by chatting with AI and Vocal Lab. So it's easy and practical. And don't forget that they have this lifetime deal that you definitely have to grab, because that MCP feature on the lifetime deal is a steal if you ask me. So grab that plan. There's all the way up to tier 5, which is what I'm using right now, because I'm going to generate several videos for a channel that I'm going to dedicate in TikTok for this purpose. So these videos are going to be turning out to be even better as I go along, because I'm going to fine tune them even more. Plus, I'm going to be using several voices from Vocal Lab. So I hope you like this video. And as I mentioned, I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can go ahead and check it out right now. And that's a wrap.